The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to The English We Speak. With me, Feifei.
And me, Neil.
Nice bobble hat, Neil.
Oh, thanks.
But not very practical. Wearing a hat indoors must be quite hot.
It's the fashion, Feifei. Some of us have to keep up with the trends.
Right. Maybe that explains the waistcoat you're wearing as well. To be fashionable?
Oh, you wouldn't understand, Feifei.
I understand very clearly. You are a sheeple.
What are you bleating on about?
Sheeple. It describes people who just follow the crowd without much thought. Basically, you're easily led, like a sheep. But you're not the only one. Listen to these examples.
I can't believe all these sheeple who've paid lots of money for the latest smartphone. They'll be half price in a few months' time.
My brother's one of those sheeple who has to follow the latest fashions. He's now wearing ripped jeans, but so is everyone else at his college.
Although nearly everyone in my class has one of those smartwatches, I'm not going to be one of those sheeple. I'm going to stick with my old watch my grandmother gave me instead.
This is The English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the word sheeple. It's a mix of the English words sheep and people. It describes people who, just like sheep, follow what other people do or things that are trending.
So you're saying I'm trending?
No, I'm saying you're just following the trend. You can't think for yourself, like a sheep.
I don't think so. Look, I'm wearing sandals and socks. That's not fashionable, but very comfortable.
That reminds me of sheep as well. Stupid.
Charming. I'd watch out, Feifei. I might be a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Bye, Neil.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We have many more exciting videos to help you improve your English. So be sure to subscribe to our channel to get the full experience of our YouTube channel. See you there!